Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be vlogging my beach trip to New Smyrna for the day. So right now I'm currently at New Smyrna Beach. Here's the ocean and I'm here with my friend Emily and Haley, and I'm with her family at their little apartment that they're renting. They're all the way out there trying to surf, but I don't want to get into the shark bite capital of the world. I'm not trying to get in, so I'm standing out here. But yeah, welcome back and I hope you enjoy. Guys, so I have literally an update. 2 minutes later, I got attacked by a crab. Let me show you.
Hi Shanti's crew, what's going on?
Okay, fit check.
Necklace from my boyfriend's mom. I don't know where this one came from. It's from a random store in Hawaii. Thrifted. Bells. And then I also thrifted this.
Yay! Okay, so I got my necklace off Every Jewels, and then my earrings, I don't know. And then this shirt from Marshall's, skirt from PacSun. Okay, that's it.
Have I ever told you what my great-great-grandmother used to say?
What did she say?
She said, live, love, laugh.
She did. Okay guys, we're on the way to dinner, to the Corkscrew.
No, your mouth
Thank you.
from
I
here,
appreciate it.
that looks a lot like your dad.
Yeah.
Now when your mom was young, her picture...
Waiting outside of the Corkscrew, and it's taking a really long time. They said 45 minutes to an hour, and it feels like it's been like...
It's been an hour.
It has been an hour.
Yeah, Haley would like the fudgesicle, white vanilla fudge.
When I eat Dairy Queen, I think freedom.
Hey, it's been a few days now, and I was watching back, I was watching the video that I recorded, and it's honestly not long enough, so I'm adding this in. It's Thursday, and I need to go pick up my glasses at Sam's. I just ordered some glasses, so they're ready now. And yeah, I need to get a few groceries, so come along with me. I literally got here, and I went to go get my glasses, right? And the lady walked out for her lunch break, so now I have to wander for 30 minutes. I already got what I needed from here, and now I just need the glasses. So, yeah. This towel is so cute. Literally, I'm so bored, and this thing is chasing me around. I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, I got my glasses finally, after waiting for like so long, but thankfully I got them. Now I'm gonna go back home, so let's go. Hey, now I'm cooking dinner and I'm making like the Gigi Hadid pasta.